Processing six figures a month sounds great until your payments suddenly stop because your processor was not built for that kind of volume. It happens all the time with supplement brands that scale fast. Here is a quick check you can do. Search this phrase, and you will see that most standard processors, especially aggregators like Stripe or PayPal, have hidden limits when your monthly volume spikes or when your products are labeled high risk. That means even if your sales are legitimate, your payouts can get delayed or frozen if your business grows faster than what their risk system expects. Once your supplement business crosses 100K per month, you need processing that's built for scale, not just volume, but risk management too. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. Their system supports unlimited high ticket and high volume processing through direct banking relationships. So instead of hitting invisible cups, your payments stay stable even during growth spikes, big launches, or seasonal surges. And here is something worth knowing from their FAQs. Many nutraceutical businesses struggle with account holds because their processors don't truly understand their industry. EasyPay Direct specializes in high risk verticals like supplements, so they can underwrite your account correctly and keep your funds moving without interruption. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how their high volume support works and find out if your business qualifies. When you are doing serious numbers, you can't afford surprise freezes or payout delays. EasyPay Direct helps your supplement brand process confidently. No limits, no interruptions. You will find the link to learn more right there in the description.